A quick video to demonstrate a recent acquisition I made on eBay. Six Model 26 Ludlum probes. Been wanting something like this for a while. I do a fair amount of urban prospecting for uranium glass with my wife, and when we go into antique stores and the like, I've been carrying a 44-9 probe attached to a box or something to that extent, and there's some inconveniences associated with that. It's always been fun, but the convenience of a all-inclusive probe that has all the electronics in it, and the handle and the batteries and all that, and the displays, very convenient, and looking forward to using one of these. I don't need six of them, and I think a couple of them are already spoken for, but I may be deacquisitioning some of them in the near future. But I did want to demonstrate, because I'm so pleased with these, I wanted to demonstrate how happy I am with these. So simple 2-button controls on these Model 26s. The only difference between the Model 26 and the Model 26-1 is the 26-1 you can select different units, but for the most part these are friskers, and so to get a unit like millirem or microsieverts per unit time isn't as that useful to me. I'm really just looking for bulk counts per minute, and these will definitely do that. To turn it on, a simple push button does a quick self-test and then gets right to a background count. Right now, background is relatively low in here today, but ranging somewhere in the 30 to 50 range or so. That's normal for a 44-9 probe. I think the actual pancake in these things is an LND 7311, just like you'd have in a 44-9 probe, but so the background is what you'd expect for that. Work just like any frisker. Basically you wave over it, and you can select a fast or slow response. I think I have these on slow response right now, but just to demonstrate their ability, I have today a rock that I picked up at Myrtle Beach that turned out to be a hot rock, slightly anyway, right off the beach amongst the fossils and stuff there. So I don't have any radioactive material in my apartment right now. Don't really want to do that, but I do have this rock as a nice little natural test source. So just like in a frisker, you can pass over, and you can hear the chirping from the probe, and it's right away going to register counts easily over background on that rock. So I'm pretty pleased, very consistent with the numbers that I was getting with my 44-9 probe. Another feature with the Model 26 Ludlum is a max mode. With a simple push button, you can put it into max mode, and what it does is the maximum count rate that it experiences, it'll lock right in on that. So as I'm like getting on this test source here, it'll lock that in, and so then you move away and it's locked in, and you can reset that and put it back to 0 with a simple push here, and you can get back to it's where it's looking for a maximum again. So again, back to 0, and it locked right in on a new count, and there you go. The other cool thing is, built into the electronics of these is a scaler mode, and they come with a default 1-minute timer on it. You can adjust that, but 1 minute is fairly convenient. But basically, you can go through a count, and it's going to count down, and at the end of the minute it'll give you a total number of counts it recorded during that time. But I won't bore you with waiting for the minute, but back again to my normal mode, my normal frisker mode. So pretty cool device, really happy with it. Let me know what you think. See you guys.